Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the workshop of the Hotel Administration and Management, and this is Hasib Ashraf. So, what is hotel management and how the administration works goes in the hotels industry? And this course is basically to have the basic understanding of the hotel management and whole infrastructure, how goes on and how the works inside the different department going on. So in hotel management, the introduction is totally, there are the few departments which are the conducted in the hotel. And the most important element goes for the operation management. Second is guest services. Third is sales and marketing, financial management, human resource, then facilities management, safety and security. All these comes under hotel management and administration. Why administration? Why I'm saying the term is used in administration? Because all the departments, all the services which are conducted in hotel industries are administrated and managed. So we have to understand the sometimes circumstances and the functions, how the operation management works, how the guest services of the front desks work for the receiving the guests, check-in, check-out, all the financial instruments, financial clearance, the checks. If the customer is regular, for instance, so we have to take track the record of it. If in case that customer arrive after 2 years or 3 years, if that dues are pending, the same dues will be reflecting at the time of paying in next visit. If not, then we have to trace out and we have to give the notice to that person, sir, there is your pending dues need to clear as soon as possible. That needs to be instructed to there if the hotel management and the hotels have the sister concerns hotels also, that that will be informed to others also. That shows the coordination within the hotels management and administration where the guest is received, and if the outstanding is pending, that needs to be clear and recovery also. So it all comes under the hotel management. Now, briefly, I will define the operation management. What it comes, that is the front desk operations, housekeeping, food, beverages, services, maintenance, and security. All these departments come under the hotel management and administration. Then comes towards the guest services. It's providing the excellent customer service to the fundamental expert aspects of the hotel management managers. All the it is responsibility of every staff in hotels to welcome and creating a comfortable zone for the guest people so they can have no complaints. They should enjoy and have the satisfactory during their stay. So if we have the hanky panky, or if we say a bad remarks, or if have a bad manners, so then the result will be negative. So that's some one single comment. If you have thousands of services in the good services, but one bad comment can impact to thousands good comments. So you have to understand the core essence of customer services when we are dealing with the clients. So even the clients or guests. So in hotel management, we have to role play of the sales and marketing also, because promoting souls hotels brands to the international organizations or in the national organizations, the biggest organization, if there a program is coming, so they will be having the booking for their rooms in your hotel. If the new event is coming in the city, so all the hotels will be arrangements has to be conducted under one supervision. So all the hotels will be booked, all the things, and all the food services has to be upgraded without any wasting a single stock. So we have to maintain a keeping supply chain, towels, laundry system, each and everything has to be up to the mark and up to the satisfaction, and unexpected have a comfort zone, giving the value to the clients so they can have a comfort zone during their stay. If they are staying for 10 days, they should feel as a 10 days they're having a luxury life, because they are investing money in your hotel and they are investing their time in your hotel to stay, and they're preferring your services to be outclass. That's why we say that hotel management is totally a people management. If you can handle the people, you can easily handle the hotel industries management and other people also. Financial management is definitely is conducted as it is conducted in two forms. One, it is in the front desk form where the check-ins payments are cleared at that moment. Then at the cashier is there a restaurant over there. Then second, the most important is the back end of the financial management where all the cash flows are recorded and goes under for the audit purpose and record and depository of the cash and into the bank and whatever the further process. So we have to make very strategic decision to maximize profitability by maintaining high service standards. Even the market also trends too. Human resource, why it is very important. We have the recruitment, we have the training and development of hotel staff, the employees, the front desk. We have to train. If the chef and the waiter are there, we have to hire those people, and we have to train according to the job description and job analysis and job specification. Then facilities management, hotel management, maintaining the physical facilities to ensure they are in excellent condition. For example, AC, fridge, TV, electronic items, the mirror, the all are clean, well equipped, well maintained. If the maintenance there is an issue, the maintenance team should report, and they has to resolve that issue before the clients check in that room. So safety, security from the outsider, from the stranger, from political aspects, all perspective of if emergency crisis happens. So how the hotel management will evacuate the hotels and the staff, the people who are staying over there. So it all depends how the hotel management peoples are conducting and working on. Moving forward, few the operations we are discussing. So I will be having the discussion in details related to the front office operations. Is basically the reservation. Uh, Moving forward, the front office operations in the hotel managements are the front desk people and the reception. So when you enter in a hotel, you see the reception and there is a check-in and check-out where the guests check-in in the hotel and check-out from the when is the timings of it. And it is in mostly in the or in hotel industry, the 12 p.m. of any day, you have to check out, and before the 12 a.m you have to check in that hotel if you have reservations. And then the reservation management, the good guest services we have to do. We have the bell services. There are some other people who have the lift your loaders over there to take your suitcases and home services to your room. They drop out and they have to keep your suitcases on certain places where it has to be kept in the room. So the telephonic and communication, how it is done. Hello, welcome to PC Hotel, and this is Hasib. I'm speaking. How I will be speaking with the clients and the corporate clients, or administration, or the corporate who have to do the reservation through telephonic, and how you will be conducting your communication with those people. Uh, in front office, the most important is that when the guest is there and that person is will be paying in cash to you, that is called cash handling and billing. And billing has to be done when the customer is checking out from the hotel. Guest complain if there is a maintenance issue, is there something bad happens, there is something noise, is there is some leakage in the washroom, or whatever the issues, it comes under the guest complaint handling, and that's to be handled in within uh, immediately as soon as possible to resolve that issue so that the customer client should be satisfied during his stay or he or she. So front office administration is comes under in sales of that front office operations, and that has to be administrated and has to be managed time to time, and you have to be very multitasking at the same time by facing the customer and the handling the work at the same time, and make sure all the SOPs has to be followed. So we have to be trained we have to train the supervision, have to train the staff of the front desk officers or front desk people who are greeting with the or facing the people in front hand. So it should be supervised. There should be a manager over there who is attending for in case the customer is very hyper, so that the manager can handle that situation and calm down the customer and immediately give the solution to so that there is no bad impact in the front office. If you have visited the Marriott Hotel, Movenpick Hotel, or PC Hotel, you will find these things, and you have a great things understanding over there. For example, if there was an office in the Regent Plaza when I was working, so the environment was normal. But after the during this there was incident, so the all the management was changed, and if they were working in that organization, they were now trained to evacuate how the health and safety and fire department and how you will be doing the responding the first aid over there. So that needs to be monitored. That has to be trained to every staff of hotel. So in the most important element, this department is very coordinating with other departments with the sales because the first person whoever enters in hotel that will be facing the front desk officer. So automatically that person will be guiding to other people's. So other people, for example, if I want to meet as the in sales and marketing for the promotion or have the booking for the hotel rooms, or I have to book for the banquet hall. So whatever the departments they will guide me to go to this person or go to this department, right, left, and they will guide the direction so I can meet that exact person and have a booking over there. So, moving forward in hotel management, there is a training and development uh, department that needs to be executed, and how it is conducted through training and need assessment, analysis, the gap, and what kind of training designs it should be in-house training or on the job training, open program, external training providers, cross training, e-learning or online training, depending on the modules of the how the hotel management are improving or they want to some international certification from international, then definitely it will be online training or e-learning. So definitely when the person is in training and development, there has to be develop of leadership development. They have to lead the organization too, and they have to lead the team. If they cannot lead the team, so how the leadership development it will be there. So you have to be analysis, you have to be tactful, and you have to be skillful to avoid any kind of issues and continuously learning and follow up in the long run. So in the end, when we say okay, how whether the training was effectiveness, it will be the result after 3 to 4 months in the jobs during it. So that is a brief introductory or brief things. If you are interested in this course, if you are wanted to pursue in this career this career hotel management, so you take this course from this academy, and it is these are the details in front of you, and I will say okay, this is the best course if you want to become want to succeed, or if you want to explore in this field. You may as a national or international hotel industry, it is a very good industry right now and growing. It will be always growing on. You cannot say it will be stopped. No, it cannot be stopped because the tourists want to move in different places, different cities, and within the national or international, they need these kind of people. They need some people who are well experienced or has a mediocre experience or their career starting. Because if you are people oriented, you definitely you will be handling people, and you can easily if you are customer service oriented, that is the best field one of it in the different industries, if you can say, for example, banking, customer service, in food industries. So this is the area where you can explore and you grow yourself further. That's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day and take care. If you have inquiries, please contact. Thank you. Take care.